Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by shutting off the breaker, feeding the circuit, and confirming power is dead with a tester. This prevents shocks. Next, remove the existing switch cover and unscrew the switch to expose wires, keeping note which is line and load. If wires are bundled in back, pull them forward gently. Make sure the sensor you bought matches single pole or three-way wiring. Once you've identified line, load, neutral, and ground, you're ready to wire. You now connect the motion switch. Attach the sensor's black lead to the hot line you identified, twist and secure with a wire nut. Then connect the sensor's red or brass lead to the load going to the light. If the sensor includes a neutral white, tie it to the neutral bundle. This powers the sensor electronics. Finally, fasten the green ground to the box ground. Once connections are secure, wrap nuts and arrange wires back into the box so the switch mounts flat. You finish by screwing the sensor into the box and attaching the cover plate. Turn the breaker on and perform a walk test. The light should activate when you move and follow the sensor settings. If it doesn't, power off and recheck that the hot and switched load weren't swapped and that the neutral is connected if required. Make sure the sensor's photocell isn't blocked. Once it works, fine-tune sensitivity and time delay so the behavior matches your space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.